Hey guys, so for today's video I will be doing a unboxing video. These are the Cica Skincare line from Viti Cosmetics. So they sent me 6 products in total. So these products contain mainly Cica. Cica is well known in Asia. It is short for Centella asiatica. I don't know how to pronounce it. And Cica has a lot of skin benefits such as healing, soothing, anti-inflammatory, and more. And it is also good for sensitive skin. So let's see how these products looks like because I haven't unwrapped it yet. While unboxing, I'm just gonna see the ingredients as well because I don't know if their ingredients are good or not. So the first product is this cleanser. This is called Cica Mild Foam Cleanser. This is big, as you guys can see. This is 300 ml. I can't really see the direction or anything because most of the words are Korean and the only English in here is the ingredients list. They have a lot of extra ingredients and also acid. I think all of the product in here have fragrance, and I have sensitive skin and I know fragrance is not good for your skin, as well as alcohol, but this one doesn't have any alcohol. All I can see is the fragrance. I mean, I don't know each one of the ingredients. The only bad thing that I'm seeing here is fragrance. So let's just open this up and see how it smells like. It's sealed. I think it smells like green tea somehow. This is how it looks like. So the smell is not bad. It's like herby smell. Herby. I don't know. So the next product we'll see is this one is sunscreen. This is SPF 50. There's alcohol didnt. I think it's a bad alcohol because there's good and bad alcohol, as I know, because I did a research which alcohol is bad for skin and stuff like that. The ingredients have a lot of acid and extract, but I think most of the ingredients are good. Again, fragrance at the end. This is how it looks like. This is 60 ml. And if you guys don't know, not all sunscreen is good for your skin. So this is how it's looking like. I don't think it's gonna leave your skin white if you apply this on your skin, because some of the sunscreen is like that, right? So it smells the same actually. And if you guys don't know, some of the sunscreen is not good for your skin. If you have sensitive skin like me, you have to search what ingredients is good for your, what ingredients and what kind of sunscreen is good for your skin. So yeah, I found a sunscreen that's good for my skin. That is the Super Goop. Yeah, that one is, it's like a primer and it doesn't break out my skin. I've been using it for a few months now. You guys can find it in Sephora. So the next product I will be unboxing is this, the Cica cream. I don't know what this is for. I can't read. So, and even in the website it's Korean, so I don't. This one has less acid ingredients, mostly extracts, and again this one has fragrance. Okay, let me just, I don't know, maybe this is just a night cream or something. They all smell the same. Okay, the next product is the Cica Daily Soothing Mask. I think this is less acid as well, and again fragrance. It has fragrance. This one has 30 sheet mask, I guess. This is heavy. The packaging is plastic, of course, but yeah, it's like expensive type. This is how it looks like. There's tweezers, so you don't have to use your hands to pick up the sheets. Actually, I don't want to open it yet because yeah, I don't want to use it yet. So the next product is this Cica micro patch kit. You can see here there's step 1 and 2. There's facial cleaner and micro patch. Is this like an acne patch? Yeah, I think so. This one has alcohol. It doesn't say what kind of alcohol, but just alcohol. There's tea tree oil, a lot of acid in this. There's this step 2 patch. There's 6 patches in this. And the cleaner, we have 6 pieces as well. This is probably step 1, clean your face with this, and step 2, apply the patch. So I think this is the last one. I don't even know what this is. It's in Korea. This one has a lot of extract and acid as well. So, oh wow, it looks so expensive. I think this is essence or something, but it looks expensive. It's like perfume or something. Oh, this is hydration essence. This is 50 ml and the packaging is glass. Oh, so the essence smells the same and it's not sticky or anything. So those are the products that they sent me. I don't know if I'll be using all of these products. Maybe not the sunscreen because I think it will break me out. I don't know, I have to research. For sure I'll be using the acne patch and also the soothing mask as well as the cleanser. And I think also the essence because I never really tried using essence before. But if ever I have any reaction to these products, I will leave it in the description box below and let you guys know. So I guess that's it for today, and if you guys have any questions, just comment down below, and don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.